Hi everyone, welcome back to Mike's Tech Tips with Radius Executive IT Solutions. In lieu of Cybersecurity Month, we'll be continuing our discussion on the importance of diversifying your cybersecurity. So let's jump into Pillar 2 of Radius Executive IT Solutions' 5 pillars of confident cybersecurity. Advanced antivirus and endpoint detection. The days of using your run-of-the-mill antivirus software on your workstations have come to an end. Cybercriminals are just getting more and more intelligent, and we need to utilize technology even more to prevent these attacks, but also gain insight into what was impacted in the event of the attack. Radius Executive IT Solutions deploys the line of antivirus threat detection with endpoint detection and response, or as we call it, EDR, to keep each one of our clients secure. This vital protection layer safeguards endpoints to laptops, desktops, smartphones, tablets, servers, and virtual environments. Endpoint protection may also include antivirus, anti-malware, web filtering, and more. Furthermore, EDR, or Endpoint Detection and Response, is an endpoint security solution that combines continuous real-time monitoring and collection of endpoint data and insights with detection capabilities and automated response actions. In short, we keep your devices safe so you can confidently focus on what is important, growing your business. Thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned for next week when we break down Pillar 3 of our confident cybersecurity.